Hey everybody, a quick video on foiling. I hope you remember what that is. We're going to be multiplying binomials today. Okay, here we go. All right, so we are going to be multiplying binomials. Remember, a binomial is when you are multiplying something that has two things. So this is called a binomial because there's two components there, the x and the 6. And this is a binomial because there's the x and the -8. Okay, so remember the pattern here is the FOIL pattern. So we multiply the firsts together. That gives me x squared. And the outers, that gives me minus 8x. Then we're going to multiply the inners. That's going to give me plus 6x. Remember, we're going to stack these. And then the lasts, which are minus 48. We're going to combine like terms, and we're going to get x squared minus 2x minus 48. Now, the reason we're doing this right now is because we actually want to figure out a way to go from here back up to the original problem. That's why we're redoing this, and also because it's important to know. Okay, so pause the video right now and see if you can remember how to do problem number 2. Pause it. Good. Okay, so you should have gotten x squared plus 6x minus 40. Okay, look at my screen and make sure you know where the x squared came from and where the 40 came from, or the -40. Look at the original problem, and then look at the answer, and make sure you know where each of those came from. So we would get x squared plus 10x minus 4x minus 40. That's what our work would look like. And then we would combine like terms. Okay, so the multiply binomials intro activity looks like this. And all you're going to do is you're going to do that exact same thing. So x squared plus 4x minus x minus 4. But you have to combine like terms before you write your answer in. So x squared plus 3x minus 4 would be your answer. Remember that the way that you get the squared is by using Shift 6. That gives you that caret, the up arrow. Okay, so that's one of the two activities you have to do. The other activity is using things that are more complicated. Oops. Sorry, gang. So something like this. 2x squared minus 5 times 3x plus 7. It's still a binomial because there are still two things in each one, so we can still FOIL. It's just a lot more complicated when it comes to the numbers. So 2x times 3x, that's going to be 6x squared plus 14x minus 15x minus 35. So this would simplify down to 6x squared minus 1x minus 35. Now, I wanted to do one of these example problems for you because Khan Academy does this funny thing where it'll use like -h or -x, and I wanted to make sure we talked about that. So when you go to FOIL this, 9h times -h makes -9h squared minus 9h. 3 times -h is going to be -3h. And then 3 times -1 is minus 3. So that's going to give us -9h squared minus 12h minus 3. That's our final answer. Okay, hope this video was helpful. Try the practice and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.